Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can write loops in Solidity smart contract. Let's create a file loop.swl. Copy the version number and license from a file. Contract content name should be loop demo. Now create a function, name it uh, calc. Now make it public and pure, and let return uint. Okay, so to write a for loop excuse me, we will add a condition if I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to 10, and I plus plus. Okay, that's the basic syntax of how we can write a for loop. Let's see another thing. We can also write the continue and break inside the loop. So let's say I is equal to 3, then we can just continue the condition like that. Loop will going to another line. Let's make this example more clear, like u and j, make it 0, and now make it j equal to j plus 1, or just like j plus plus. Okay, and at the end of the function we will just return j. Okay, so let's see how it works. Deploy it and call it. It's giving us 10. Okay, and what if we just remove this condition? Now just deploy it again and call it. We will see the 11. So basically this condition will skip this line when this condition meets. We can also break the loop. Let's say is equal to 6, then it's just break the loop. So let's see what happens when we break the loop. Deploy it, calc. So it just gave us 5 because we have break the loop. If we not break it and let's redeploy it, it will give us 10. So basically when this condition met, it will going out of the loop. Okay, so that's the basic syntax how we can write for loop in uh, smart contract. Now see uh, while condition, while loop, how we can write that while loop in solidity smart contract. Now let's see. mm, While loop runs until the condition is true, so we have to make some condition that it will going out of the loop. So let's create a local variable 0 and write it is less than 5 and just increment it 8 and now return a. Okay, now let's deploy it, run it, calc while. So you can see that we can run while loop like that if we have some condition which will going to false in certain case, so we can do a while loop. One important thing here that loops are taking more gas, so try to make your loop simpler and smaller, so it will not take more gas. Otherwise it will take more gas, because if you iterate 1000 or 2000 uh, 2000 iterations in a loop, then it will take more gas. So try to make your loop compact and smaller. Thank you.